What is going on, guys? I'm back and I'm waiting on the mailman to deliver my part for the Focus. If you can't tell by the video description, we will be replacing the rear motor mount. And this is not clickbait like other YouTube channels say the solid rear motor mount, right? When they're ordering like the JBR, the other bullshit mounts that they offer for with the 88 Dura bushing or whatever crap. I kind of went overboard with this. I got the solid drag bushing. Or solid drag motor mount. There's no bushing in this motor mount. It's literally just a solid piece of metal. Why? I don't know. I was like, how bad can it be? Everybody complains about the CPE stage 2, and everybody complains about the JBR 88 being too stuck and too much vibration, but I feel like it's like people are about comfort now, you know. I get it. It's a daily, it's a Focus. I think that's why most people go with those other mounts. But we're going to be doing the solid rear motor mount, which is a drag style from JBR. It took about 2 weeks, maybe 2.5 weeks for them to ship this out to me because it had to be made. They did let me know that, hey, if you want a refund or if you want to get one with a bushing, then we can do that. And I was like, no, I'll wait. And a lot of people are, like I said, complaining about the vibrations in the other ones. So we're going to see how the vibrations are in this. But like I said, I want to go ahead and remove this one for when the mailman gets here. We can just go ahead and slap that other one in and see if everybody's complains about it. Now, one thing I know with rear motor mounts and motor mounts in general is you kind of want to go off the torque specs on motor mounts. That and anything in the engine rotational, torque specs. Don't just tighten it down, because honestly, having something too tight can cause more vibrations. Having something too loose can also cause more vibrations or noises. So those are something I kind of want to follow. So I'm going to have to either look it up or just trust my gut feeling and play around with how tight or how loose I leave that bolt. Obviously, you don't want too loose where it's going to fall out. I also have some red Loctite I'll probably be using on the bolt, because there's a bolt that literally sits basically right underneath and it bolts straight up from there. So yeah, we're going to get started. Once I find a creative way to get my car in the air. Obviously I have the jack, but I don't want to get under without jack stands. Yeah, guys, and let's go on this adventure together, right? Well, as I was sitting here, the JBR solid mount came in, guys. This thing's honestly pretty dope looking. So yeah, wish me luck. Came with these two big, I'm assuming spacers. I'm assuming it's gonna be like a space and a space between this, because it looks like they kind of like laid out everything else here for me with the. So yeah, so this is gonna be fun. So let me get my car jacked up and get started, and I will literally let y'all know how bad the vibrations are with a solid drag mount. Notice, no bushing. Solid drag mount. Okay, I don't know if my tripod's going to go with me for this. Yeah, it keeps wanting to fail. So you'll see this bracket here. We're going to have those bolts on. I'm actually missing one, but I think there's 5 of them. I want to say they are a 13 by just looking at them. But let me verify. Yeah, so they're 13. I'm gonna get this whole bracket off, and then from there I should be able to get the rest of the bolts. I believe they even said that there is one on the back side back here, so I'm gonna get my wrench for that. And then other than that, it's that one, and there's one that is right here that you can't see because the camera angle, that I'll get out. So finds out I already had that monotone rear motor mount in my car. Anyway, everything's good and tight. So we're gonna see how harsh this solid rear motor mount is. Y'all are with me for the very first startup, and let's see. Oh wow, that's not bad. What the fuck, y'all? I was expecting shit to be rattling, shit to be jumping everywhere. I can feel vibration in my butt. I can feel it. That's not bad. I'm gonna take it for a cruise, actually. Let me pull the jack and stuff out from underneath it. Let me let it warm up.
Has connected your phone and is
That
reminding you that
really doesn't feel that bad.
is set to on.
I like that. What the fuck? Guys, y'all make this shit sound like it's gonna be fucking World War III over here. Shit jumping everywhere. Fucking everything going down. We're gonna go give this a try out because oh, you hear something's rattling. Something's not tight. There you go. Now we're gonna have to find the fun part. See what breaks next from going to a solid rear motor mount, right? Alright guys. So yeah, I noticed I kind of really stopped filming throughout that. There's plenty of videos to show you how to replace the rear motor mount. I can see how this mount is not for everybody. Oh, my hands are dirty as shit. There is vibration, more vibration at idle, at everything. And then when you're first starting off, but like when you're just cruising, the car feels the same again. When you start getting into power, you can feel a little bit more vibration, but it feels good. It feels like there's a motor in there, and like I actually like dumped the clutch for like the first time in a while, and I used to get wheel hop. I don't get any wheel hop. I think the tires hopped once and then just straight planted and started spinning. Okay, I'm gonna come inside after I wash my hands. Okay. I'll be right there. 5 minutes. I'll be in there in 5 minutes. Anyway, guys, I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. And it just confirms that Focus guys are pussies. Sorry, guys. I'm kidding. I love a lot of you guys, but I'm just saying y'all are babies when it comes to vibration. That is nothing crazy bad like everybody makes it seem. Everybody hypes it way up, making it seem like it was going to be crazy. And that's why I got this mount, is because I really didn't believe anybody. And, yeah. I can see how it's too much for some people, but I think I'm going to enjoy the hell out of it. Okay guys, we're in my car. It has the solid mount in it right now. I'm at idle. I got my AC on. Nothing crazy. You probably can't even hear nothing. I can't hear nothing. I don't feel anything. Like I feel a slight vibration in the pedal. So everybody was being way over dramatic with how this mount's gonna feel. You really feel most of the vibration when we start to move. Let's see if my camera stays. Nope. See, there's the vibration. He feels right there moving in first, and then that's it. I'm just building no boost right now, so this car feels hella slow. But yeah, I think everybody's just being a bunch of sissy babies when it comes to these mounts. This mount feels great, even with the fucking boost issues I'm having right now. I enjoy this mount. I highly recommend it to anybody that wants more vibration. I can see how this mount won't be for everybody, but to me, I fucking love it. And the two guys I gave a ride into it yesterday that were local guys that have Focuses loved the hell out of it as well. And that sway bar I put back there, woo, this car feels good now. It feels stiff, it feels planted, and it feels like it actually has a motor in it now. But yeah guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and there'll be more content coming. Maybe I can get a better video here of the car from a passenger aspect where I don't drop my camera. But yeah guys, y'all take it easy.